Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about guys, how can we rename Bluetooth device name. Means guys you want to change your phone Bluetooth device name in your Tecno mobile. So how can you change? Today I will show you in this video guys how to change Bluetooth device name. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys open your phone setting to change your Bluetooth device name. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So how can you change your Bluetooth device name? Friends, click on this more connection setting guys, and friends you can see your phone Bluetooth setting here. Tap here, friends you can see device name. So guys you can see that the device name is not working. So guys, first of all we will have to turn on our phone Bluetooth. We will on it. After on guys you can use your phone Bluetooth setting guys, and guys you can see device name. So guys click on your device name and guys tap here and get this device name. So example we will take into, we will change into like Tecno phone Bluetooth, and we will rename tap here to change it. Hence come back, and you can see guys your Bluetooth device name has changed into Tecno phone Bluetooth. Like that guys you can change your phone Bluetooth device name if you want to change. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.